As we count down to the end of the session, that is today, the 27th of December 2023, Bitcoin is up around 2.18%. What that means is that adjacent stocks, crypto adjacent stocks like Mara and indeed all the other ones are definitely on the move. And we can see Marathon is up 15.44%. Let's see whether there isn't any fresh news as such. Let's see, we have something here. It was up 4.8% in the pre-market, adding to Tuesday's 0.9% close. Yes, Bitcoin is holding the gains of the previous session. And let's see what we have on trading view for Marathon. Okay, before we go there, let's see Bitcoin. It can see this is a 1 minute chart. The extrapolation is indicating or forecasting weakness to come into the stock. Okay, so let's quickly move on to Marathon and see what the projections are saying. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart as well. It's just like Bitcoin, is some weakness has printed. Also on this 1 minute chart, as well, the extrapolation is that weakness is going to come in place, may occur. So we have the most upper projection of 31.48 on this 1 minute chart. So the one below that is 3.31. Let's have a look at the 15 minute chart and see whether we have any projections that are higher than that. No, we don't have any. So let's look at the hourly chart and see. Look at the 2 hour chart and see. The 2 hour chart, weakness is equally projected as well, and here we have 35.27 on the 2 hour chart for Marathon. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, we have 35.29. Okay, let's move down to the daily chart, the 1 day chart, and see what we have for Marathon. You can see this the stock has just relentlessly been extending bullishly, and the extrapolation is also suggesting that weakness will come in from weakness even before now. The weakness has been projected, but none of that has actually happened. The reverse has been the case. Okay, so on this there are no upper projections. No upper projections have been forecasted so far on its Fibonacci projection. So we're going to leave it and move on to WULF. Sorry. Okay, so we have $3.8 is what we have here on that is projection. And just like most of the other crypto adjacent stocks, it's been extending bullishly, Okay, so let's see what we have, whether there's any news for WULF. TeraWulf, let's see, 29.28% is the gain. We have 48.552 million shares have crossed the tape. Betfinitely one of the most active in this session. Okay, decent trading range. Okay, 2.52 between 2.52 and 3.45 is what the orders are currently indicating. That's the range that they have. Let's see what is behind this projection. Okay, we have 3.8. Okay, I guess that's probably amongst other things why we have that sort of trading range between 2.52 and 3.45 for TeraWulf. Let's look at let's see whether we have anything higher than that on let's look at the 45 minute chart for Terra. Okay, we have 2.95, nothing higher than the 3.8 we saw. Okay, let's look at the 2 hour chart. You may see something there. On the 2 hour chart, no, we don't have anything. We don't have any projection there, and nothing higher. So our best bet is so far is on that 1-day chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart, look at that. The extrapolation is saying that the stock is going to do well. It's actually supposed to do better than what it is doing right now. As things stand right now, the extrapolation is saying that it should be trading at $10.04. That is a whopping what would that be? Almost a 75% premium to what it is right now. 75% premium to what it is right now. More than that. It's way more than that. More than, what am I talking about? 75%. It's that's absolutely wrong. It's way more than 45%. We're talking about almost 3 times what it is now. Almost 3 times. That will be almost 3 times what it is right now. 10.04. That's what is extrapolated. Even high prices are expected. 10.58 come Monday the 27th or 22nd of January. So TerraWolf on the move, just like all the other stocks. Penny stock. Okay, let's move on to BITF. This is the weekly chart. The stock is strongly bullish as well, has blown past all of its upper projections. The extrapolation is saying that caution is warranted. Nothing really fantastic is projected there. Okay, this is the 1-day chart as well. It has blown past all of its upper projections, and the extrapolation is sideways movement. Even sideways movement. As things stand right now, it's extrapolating a price of 1.09 for BITF. BITF is up 9.26. Let's see. Let's look at. Let's see whether we can see any projections anywhere that is better than what we are looking at right now. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. We don't have anything. Nothing higher than what we have right now. Let's look at the. Let's come back all the way to the 1-minute chart and see. Okay, yes, on the 1-minute chart we have 3.68. Okay, that's very modest, 3.68. So it seems there isn't not a lot is forecasted for or projected for BITF. Bitfarms, definitely one of the most active. 52.5 million shares have crossed the tape. We have trading range of between 3.23 and 4.25. Yeah, 4.25. That 4.25, there's a good chance it's probably what it might be somewhere in one of these projections. So let's have a look again and see the 3-hour chart and see. On the 3-hour chart, there isn't anything, nothing there, nothing up to $4. Let's look at the 4-hour chart and see. Yeah, we have them. That's where they are. That's where the projections are. We have a 3.79, 4.05, 4.42. We have 4.91 all the way towards 6.28. Okay, yeah. So it's if you have a look at the 4-hour chart, you might see something different, but the extrapolation of its price is not agreeing with that. It's extrapolating weakness for BITF. So let's look at CING. Let's see, CING singlet. Okay, this is its 4-hour chart. The stock is up 91.92%. Let's look at the 1-minute chart and see. 1-minute chart. Okay, let's find out why the stock is on the move. There's a pre-market gainer. They low downgrades a singlet to hold 5 days ago. Okay, reversing yesterday's losses, so we haven't found any news. Singlet is a penny stock. Okay, this is the 1-minute chart. So upper projections go all the way towards 4.38. Below that we have 4.07. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute chart and see. Yeah, we have 30-minute chart. We have 8.83. Below that we have 6.74. we have $6. We have 5.45. we have 5.08. we have 4.65. Okay, this is the 30-minute chart. So let's look at the one day chart. We have to look at the 1 day chart and see what's going on there on the 1 day chart. So the stock is rallying within a longer term bearish trend. It is currently now above its 20-day moving average. So this is an indicative line, a line that has something to do with its volume. I would say when the price crosses above this line we are looking at right now, where my cursor is, it's good to observe and see what's going on, just to see what's going on. And interestingly enough, the extrapolation for its price is indicating that the stock shouldn't be where it is right now. You can see what we are talking about here. It's extrapolating a price of 14.69 for CING. So let's look at CING and see what we have. CING, for definitely one of the most active, 47.014 million shares. Okay, 4.5 between 3.15 and 4.5. That's the extrapolation. That's the trading range. So yes, definitely to some extent it's reflecting what we have there on the projections on its daily chart. Yeah. So let's quickly move on to Tesla. Did I look at RIOT? I don't think I looked at RIOT. Let's see. Right, let's see. RIOT strongly bullish. This is a 1 day chart, just like the other ones, rallying within a longer term. Would this be bullish now? I think it's bullish now. Okay, let's look at as I think it's blown past all of its upper projections. RIOT. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute chart. We might see something. We might be lucky. We might get a projection that is ambitious. We have something 19.29. Extrapolation is saying that is warranting, is indicating that caution is warranted. 18.29. That's a 19.29. So yes, on this 45-minute chart we also have 19.2. We have 19.31 as the extrapolation, as the Fibonacci projection. Let's look at the 3-hour chart. We might find something there. On the 3-hour chart, yeah, we have projections. We have 19.03 and then 20.31. Indeed, there are that one projections as well, all the way down to 16.9. Okay, we also have a confluence as well. The extrapolation is seems to be agreeing with at various times being just cycling within or just cycling around its this volume indication here, this volume indication. Yeah, but the stock itself on this 3-hour chart has since blown past that indication. Let's look at the 1 day chart. We might see, I think we may have seen some of that already. On the 1 day chart we have we've seen it already, so nothing fantastic there, nothing new. Okay, let's look at Tesla and move on to SOFI. Tesla 1 day chart. So we have upper projections all the way towards 299.58, but the extrapolation is not in agreement. So the market is closing in 5 minutes for today, the 27th of December. Yeah, on the weekly chart it's more interesting. There we have upper projection of $2.68. We have 2.85. We have 3.11. We have 3.41. We have 4.3215 on its weekly chart. So definitely Tesla easily is definitely easily always is usually the most active or the second one. So today it is the second one as things stand right now. So let's quickly have a look at SOFI and see what's going on with SOFI. SOFI is this is its weekly chart. So we have projections of 10.93 dollars. We have 12.11. We have 13.75. We have 18.19 on this its weekly charts. Let's look at the 1-day chart and see what we have on 1-day chart. It's above all of its projections on the 1-day chart. So let's see whether we're going to find anything fascinating on the hourly charts. On the hourly chart, we have the 3-hour chart. We have 10.88. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. Okay, nothing there. Nothing above the current levels. So 30-minute chart. Yeah, we have some. Yes, we have just slightly way above where it is right now. We have 10.38. we have 10.43. These are not very big numbers. 10.49 and all the way towards 10.68. So let's have a look and see what the volumes are saying. It's definitely one of the most active in this session so far. Up 3.77%. 42.585 million shares have crossed the tape. Trading ranges between 9.98 and 10.71. No fresh news. Yeah, so yeah, stocks in the move. Bitcoin up over 2.19%. Marathon, WULF, BITF, CING, and RIOT, Tesla, and SOFI all on the move. As we count down to the close of this session, see what you make of all of them, and drop a comment, like, subscribe, share, and let's get going. Thank you very much for watching this video.